Hello.
Hello. You can see my screen now, right? No? What is this slide number 16 to 19? 14 to 20? Hello?
Sir, we are creating radio boxes and check boxes, sir, for added
Actually,
information and
the selection scheme also we call as.
okay.
This begin of block is there, right? Is a design of the selection scheme. This is a syntax for designing selection scheme. Here, begin block in block one. If you want to give the heading for this block, you can do here. Double click here, click on this here. You can do here radio buttons or radio buttons for header and item group. You're getting my point here, right? Should be very meaningful here. Should not use just radio button group like that. Click on back. Okay. Same here also. You can give here as click on as the heading will come. Check boxes for header and item. Save this. Activate. Back. Activate. Execute. Right? You got a point here.
Yes, sir.
Even here P underscore header. Okay, P underscore header. So P underscore header should not give in projects. We should give here P underscore row. Header is which table we are taking header EKQ. P underscore EKKO. P underscore
EKP.
okay. And here go to text element. Here you can change it to here. P underscore EKKO is header data. Item data. Variable names we should not change it as per our naming this one. Here the headings we can change here. Purchase PO purchase order. item data PO. It should be like this meaningful, right? Understood, right? Because this is going to be used by the users in the backend. I think we have to change already. So radio button should go as or this should will follow in the projects. It will be given what it should follow exactly every project. You also can go checkbox, right? You can go _C. And you should again change here P underscore checkbox, right? Here C. Here also not header, right? P underscore EKPO. P underscore EKPO. Understood, right? I'm changing the variable names here.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Don't practice that way as it is what the chat GPT is given. If P underscore CO is initial and P underscore EKPO underscore checkbox. Radio button, right? This one or underscore or cells
Both are
underscore.
radio buttons.
Both are radio buttons. This is also radio buttons, right?
Added data.
Okay. So the concept here is, okay, this is for a default X means what is the default X? This is syntax radio button group. Radio buttons must be more than one. That is the reason should have the group. What is the meaning of default X? Think 1 minute. Sorry. Default X means first one will be selected here. Hello?
The radio button will,
Which one you want to select? That one you give as default X.
okay.
For example, if you don't give this, if you give for this one as a default X, right? See now. Now second one will be selected. The second one. Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you think and tell me. Now what will happen? Observe only line number 17 and 18.
Uh, so both are R1, sir. So it should be only one default X because the both belongs to same group, I think.
Correct. Very good. So you cannot have radio buttons is only one only. Right? I mean selected. It should be selected only one only. For that reason, it will give the error now. Right?
Yes.
Only one parameter. Now, for example, instead of small capital X, I'll give small x. Will it work or not? Hmm?
Yeah, it works, sir. It works.
Does not matter because it's not working. Huh? It will not work for small x. Hello?
Why, sir? Why?
It's case sensitive. It's in single quotes. Hello? With the value case sensitive.
Yes, sir.
Now this one will work or not? Okay. It will not take now. It will expect only X means. Okay. Which is the first? Suppose if I don't give default, what will happen? Suppose
It
if I
will
don't
select
give this.
automatically.
Which one will take automatic?
First one only, sir.
First one, correct. Understood, right? This concept.
Yes,
This
sir.
one. This one also you can give default. For example, now currently here nothing is selected, right? You can give here. Go to here.
Like, for
Now default
checkboxes, we need to select, no, sir. For which information we header or item information.
for example, if you want default something should be selected, you can give also here. This provision also is there. Now when you execute, what will happen? First one will be selected. Kada.
Okay.
Sometimes business requirements will come like this. By default, it should be selected like this.
Okay.
In here, this is possible, right? This you are clear. I can go here. Both can be selected also, right? Because
Here,
ready
yes,
button
sir.
is right because checkboxes concept is different. Multiple options available. Check syntax, activate, execute now. So both is selected here. Let's stop here. Execute now. Okay, we choose here. Click on execute. Expand debug mode. So this condition become true or false. Line number 39 is true or false.
True, sir.
Huh?
True, sir.
Not true, right? 39 is not true. True means both should have been selected. Sorry. Both should not be selected. I mean, at least one would have been selected here. He is initial and both are not initial kada. Initial and value should be there. But there is one value kada. This will not become true. This will become true only if you not selected anything. Any confusion here?
No, sir. Please select at least one checkbox.
Is initial means value.
If you select one checkbox, then maybe it is true.
No. See, understood this condition statement here. And right, it is and.
Okay.
And means if it is both selected only. Sorry. Is initial ante empty, not selected. Read 1 minute, you understood with full concentration. This word. What is this one? This will become true only if both are not selected. Either one, at least one not selected. But one I have selected here, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why this is X. That's why it will not true this condition.
Okay.
Go to next one. Here, this become which one become true? Ready buttons. So first ready button is selected, right? This will go to here. This statement will execute. What is line number 51?
Skip statements.
What is the meaning of skip? Skip will give you the blank space in the output before printing the output. Before this write statement, it gives the blank. Skip means one line will skip. By default, one line. If you skip two lines will come in the output space. I'll explain practically. Now, where is my control?
8.
Oh, this will become true. This is a new syntax, okay, ABAP syntax, line number 66. You don't need types begin of, end of, and all. Hello? This is a new syntax, ANA syntax, S4 ANA syntax. This one you can use now, but better first start with the old one, now new one. This is the new syntax. It's a dynamic declaration. Understood? You don't need to declare the internal table here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is will come automatically here. 5 rows means 5 records. What is the U line means? Underline. Now you are printing the data. Okay. From EKQ. And then you are printing that output here. This is also dynamic declaration work area here. If you want, you can write the comments here. Below is new ABAP syntax. New ABAP syntax here. At the rate means at the rate we use to differentiate table fields, and program data objects. Which are those three data objects? Variable, work area, internal table. Understood? Data means dynamic declaration. Data we use for the dynamic declaration. Think 1 minute here, line number 81. Line number 81, we are not using at the rate symbol. Why? Think 1 minute. Line number 81.
Loop it and write a ABAP statement, sir. So,
Correct. Very good. Very good. Because loop is a ABAP statement, not a select statement. That's why we are not using here as a at the rate symbol. Very good. That's all. This is, right? 81 to 99. This 1530, what is the purpose of 1530? Position in the right side in the output, right? Here I was telling. 15 position from left side, 1, 2, 3, 4, while printing output. I will execute this one here. Okay. How to save this one? This values, what concept we use? Variant. Where one? Where one? Save it, execute. This is the position like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the skip. Because of the skip, this space will come here. Working with purchase order header, right? Here, working with purchase order header, where we have written here. This one here. Skip I have given only. If I give 5 lines, skip 5. 5 lines will come as a space. Execute. Use a variant. Execute. See now, 5 lines has come. Understood here?
Okay.
Clear, right? This is this space, this one. From left side, this one, this space. This space.
Okay.
Suppose if I give 100, listener will come on 100 position from left side. 100, yeah, 100. Lot of space will come for the last field. Check syntax. Activate. Enter. Execute. Right? Use a variant here. Execute. Execute. See here. Space. From left side, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, like that. Understood? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Ready button checkbox clear, right? So we'll move on to the next parameters and select options we have done. Right? Last pair select options I have done, right? Here.
Right.
Select options. So here. You have to do that all hands on what I have given, otherwise, right? It will be all easy only, unless you practice it more on the whatever the exercises are given. What is the S underscore matter here? Line number 9. Range input, this one. Okay. Called as select options. What is S underscore matter? Internally, it creates internal table with header line. I have showed in debug mode. I'll put a breakpoint here. Execute. Stop. Execute. Okay, use a variant here. Multiple values or range. Okay, 10 to 50. What is the meaning of this one? You're asking the material number data should display from this material number to this number, from 1 to, right? This is from, this is 2, right? This S underscore matter should not be there in the projects. You should change this one. How to change? Go to here.
Text elements,
Click on go
material
to
number.
text elements. Go to selection text. It should be material number because you just don't know what is S underscore matter. Activate here. Back. Okay, activate, execute. Use a variant. range between 10 to 50. Execute. Observe select statement. What is going to do? Think 1 minute. Tell me what is the select statement is going to do here. Think and tell me in words. What is it is going to do? Select statement here. Hmm?
Read data from the database table.
Hmm. I mean, correct, but what is that? You have to complete think, right? What is the just not getting the data from database table, right? What is the line number 25 will do? What is the line number 25 do exactly? Should be very clear about this, what we are doing.
It put all the records from the database into the internal table Mara.
That's all. All the records.
Not all the records, the selected ones are like MATNR, MTART, MATKL, and MEIN.
Those are not records, those are the fields. These are the fields, not records. This one. These are the field values. Question is here, what is this one? What this will do? That is very important to understand. This one. What this where condition will do? Hmm?
It takes the materials which matches the entered value, sir.
What is the entered values?
In the output, we have entered 10 to 50, in between 10 to 50.
It is the input actually, input to the program between 10 to 50, right? So, see, there is a meaning here. You are saying that bring the data from Mara, put it into the internal table, comparing the material number available in the database. This belongs to database. Comparing with what user is asking. This is the user input here. What is the user is asking here? 10 to 50. What is this one? What is this? Because we have seen earlier also.
One is records and the fourth, fourth rows.
No,
and
no, no. What I'm saying is asking what is S underscore MATNR here?
both
This
are
type
system
of
variables, sir.
no, it is internal table. We have done this topic internal table with header line. It's internal table. How do you know? Double click here. This is internal table. System will create automatically internal table with this structure. How many fields are there here? Hello?
Fields,
How many columns?
only one, sir.
How many columns are there? Observe closely, concentration. How many columns are there? What is the column here? What is the row here? Here.
Sir, sign option low and higher columns. Sir.
Correct. Correct, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, right? Hello? This is not a
Yes.
column because this is records, number of records. Huh? Columns. How many columns are there?
4.
How many
Total
fields are there?
only one, sir.
Fields to columns both are same only. This is field 1, field 2, field 3, field 4. 4 fields. Hello?
Okay, sir.
Understood? How many fields are there here?
4.
What are the 4? 4?
Sign option and
Sign
low and
option
high.
low, high. How many columns are there?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4 columns. How many records are there?
1, sir.
1. This complete is called one record. What is the meaning of record?
Recording the information.
Group of fields data, right? This is a group of 1 to 4 fields data. Okay, desktop 3 now. What is you are asking the condition? It is forming a condition here, saying that you bring the data wherever material number is equal to BT means between. Okay, wherever the material number is equal to between 10 to 50. Understood? Now you will get the material numbers only between 10 to 50 now. IT underscore Mara. What is the difference between IT underscore Mara, S underscore Maitner? Both are internal tables only, right? How do you know? Double click here. This is also internal table. In this internal table, how many columns are there?
4 are this one also.
1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Correct. How many fields?
4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing but fields and columns both are same only. How many records? This is records. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. I think we will be having here maybe 36 records are there here. Right? Hello?
Sir.
Understood, right? Concept here.
Yes, sir.
Now my question is, what is the difference between IT underscore Mara and S underscore Martner? Both are internal tables only. Both are internal tables only. This is what every day class we have to read, note down, notebook, understood. Then we should move on.
Internal table containing the data retrieved from Mara, sir. IT underscore Mara.
No. We have done the examples of 2 types of tables: internal tables with header line, without header line. Right? Here, this internal table is with header line. I have explained in the debug mode. Cap, right? The cap is with header line. This is body of the internal table. I mentioned clear all this also earlier. Check it after every class, right? We should go through that, take a notes, prepare and note down, because all are interlinked between each one. That is the only effect. If 1 hour class is, a lot of efforts from your side should put, all of you, whoever is learning. Okay, na? Okay, here we go to here. Right? IT underscore Mara is internal. What is IT underscore Mara here? Internal table with work area. IT underscore Mara is internal table with with separate work area. Work area. S underscore Matner, system generated internal table automatically. S underscore MATNR is system generated internal table of type with header line. So I explained the debug mode very clearly in the class. Right. Now this loop will execute between 10 to 50, right? 10 to 50 material number I am asking. How many records has come between 10 to 50? What is this 36?
That
Records.
one records, sir.
Records. I can cross check, go to Mora table here. Go to SC11. Mora table. Display. Go to here. Cross check between 10 to 50. Statistics. Matching. Hello?
Sir?
Is matching, right? 36 records are coming.
Yes.
Because
It's matching.
36 are there in the database. Clear?
Yes, sir.
I think system stuck here. So what are the homeworks list what I have given last class, sir? Okay.
Practicing practical exercises one by one that you have mentioned in the WhatsApp group.
This one do it earliest because the moment you do that, it will be more clear. This
Okay.
not this one, no.
ABAP.
Things all report this one, right? This all I given latest one. After this I have not given anything.
Previously have given ABAP operations and above.
This one, this one you complete it. So this one will cover all the time, all the events. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
I'll stop here.